Okay, so problem number 4 says the table below shows the temperature that was recorded in Centerville, Virginia every hour from 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. Assuming a quadratic relationship, so this is where it tells me that I should do a quadratic regression. If time equals 0 represents 7 p.m., what would be the prediction for 10 a.m.? So what this is saying is, so at 7 p.m. it's at 0, the next hour is 1, and then 9 is 2, 10, and so on, all the way up to 7 a.m., which is 12. But we want to look at what it is if this keeps going to 10 a.m., so which means that I would do 8 a.m. would have to be equal to 13. 9 a.m. is equal to 14. And then 10 a.m., which is what we want, is equal to 15. So we want to know what number do I get here when x is equal to 15. Okay, sorry. This right here. It's the number we're looking for, okay? So if we just were able to keep going with the table, what would that be? Okay. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to do a regression. So we're going to plug these numbers in decimals. Okay, so we're going to put, let me start over. So you're going to put plus button table, and we're going to plug in our numbers here that I have here in my table. So we have here, I'm not going to plug in the time because that doesn't really make sense. I'm going to plug in 0, 1. So 0 goes to that. So 0 goes to 59.4, and then 1, and then so on. So you put 1, and then 2, 3, 4. If you just keep hitting enter, it'll put it. And I can only go up until 12. I cannot do 13, 14, 15 because I don't have any y values for it. So I have to stop here at 12, which is 34.7. And I do have to go in and fill in all these numbers that were at 33.8 and so on. Okay, so I plugged in the numbers and I kind of gave it a quick look. Let me see what this is. Kind of looks a little like a parabola. I think if you had more numbers, it would still keep going up. That's what I'm thinking over here. Anyway, let's build our quadratic regression. So you're going to put y1 regressed against ax1 squared plus bx1 plus c. It's easier for me to just type it. So there you go. It's not the best of the models. It's a 96% match, which is still good, not too bad. So here, now we can find what is the temperature when at 10 a.m. by finding it at x equals 15. X equals 15, so it looks like the temperature does start to go up, which is at 30, I'll write it here, so 36.48 degrees.